A World Bank economic update for PNG earlier this year predicted that the country's GDP growth rate would be at 3% this year, which is lower than the previous year outlook predictions. This could be further affected as the unexpected coronavirus outbreak continues. The BSP CEO, who has been in the banking industry of Papua New Guinea for over 40 years, says the economic outlook for PNG will be challenging for this year, given the coronavirus outbreak eventuating in the first quarter of the year.
It is. It's unexpected, and that's if you're an individual, you have an unexpected expense. What reserves do you have to meet that unexpected expense? Is it savings or something else? And the same applies with government and businesses will find that the number of people coming into PNG is less because of travel restrictions, which will have an impact on Air New Guinea, no doubt have an impact on hotels. Supply chains across various business streams, whether it's going to be electronics, other support industries, will also be somewhat challenged during the course of this year. So we expect it to be difficult.
Institute of National Affairs Executive Director Paul Barker says the effects of the coronavirus are affecting the global economy in relation to China and the United States, and that there is a lot of uncertainty around it, where the PNG government may be forced to undertake extra spending.
There are a lot of different ways that virus is going to affect the economy, as well as, of course, on the other side, the government having to spend a lot of money on prevention and then of management and establishing. So that will require, again, that the government collects that money or diverts that money from other activities that are already in the budget. So
concerns are raised by economists on the possibilities of transport industries being affected by the coronavirus situation, which would affect export and import mechanisms for key drivers of the PNG economy.
You've seen a big reduction in trade. You've seen a reduction in manufacturing in China, particularly in those provinces, Wuhan and much of northern China. But China is the manufacturing hub of the world, so they manufacture products or partial products which are then completed in other countries, merged with other products and completed. So the level of shipping has been reduced, level of aviation, air traffic has gone down.
The PNG economic outlook remains positive, according to the World Bank in its last update, but it also reveals there is risk involved with the coronavirus situation. This is especially for businesses operating in PNG that deal with China. Dennis Orere, National EMTV News.